guys, Saving with Shay. Listen, it's hot. All right, let me tell you, it's 86 degrees right now in SoCal, high desert, Victor Valley. And so I hope the AC is not too loud, but you know, your girl will be sitting here baking. But listen, this is such a fire haul, you guys. It is late. I had to run back to Walmart to do something else, so big shout out to Amy for that deal. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Shay with the pow, 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 ow, ow. Definitely subscribe. Also make sure you smash like button, support your girl. So listen, for my weekend, Ibotta was nice to your girl, and I need 10 offers for $5. We're also going to tackle that larger bonus as well, so I'll be getting back 15. We've got Fishtopia, so lots of fire deals there as well. And so it's a lot, and I'm so exhausted, you guys. Between yesterday and today, I'm so freaking exhausted. I cannot wait to just chill this weekend. Big shout out to class of 2025. I cannot believe this school year is already over. Josiah is about to be a 4th grader, which is crazy. So big shout out to you guys. If you guys have kids that are graduating this year, let me see some 2025s in the comments. But this is gonna be such an awesome haul, y'all. Such a freaking awesome haul. I have Walmart. I have a deal I did at, did I go to Target? I have a couple deals we did at Target. I have a deal we did at Sprouts. I have a deal that we did at Food for Less. I did post that as a short this morning. And Bonds. So a lot going on today. No in store for those deals. And so with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart first. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl ain't gonna do, keep on watching.
All right, so this first deal is on the Donut Shop Ice Refreshers. They are priced at $6.98, getting back $6 on Best Reward makes them only 98 cents with a limit of 3. Okay, so this deal, I saw it pop up as an ad on Instagram. It's on the Proper Good meals. There is a free offer. I'll have a link in the description. They're priced at $5.48. You're going to get back up to $6, making this absolutely free. I just love these boxes. Aren't they freaking cool? Star Wars. Anyway, listen. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this deal on the weekends because, to be completely honest with y'all, I still have some left from when I did the deal, a deal at Vons. And so I'm going to grab it, though. They're priced on rollback for $2.97, getting back 2,000 points on Fetch Reward, making them 97 cents each for a limit of 2. So I went ahead and grabbed 2. Yeah, I also went ahead and did the Sargento cheese bakes as well. These are priced at $4.68. And the offer on Fetch is buy 2, get back 10. So you'll pay $8.96. You'll get back the 10, making this $1.04 money maker. Really quick. A couple of you guys commented that there is offers on the Bibi or BB app. So I downloaded it yesterday. I got back, well, it's still pending, but I got back $2 on the Simply Spiked, and there's an offer for the mics for $5. So I should be getting back an extra $2 for that right there, which would make it an even bigger money maker with between Flavor Wiki and the $7 on Ibotta. Now, the Ibotta offer is only good in certain states, though, so everyone might not have that offer. But for today, I went ahead and grabbed the mics, the variety pack. Now, it does have a picture of the cans. I grabbed the bottles. It's the same exact flavors as long as you can do the lemonade and the strawberry, which are the only 2 flavors that you are doing the survey on. And so it's priced at $17.94. And for this, you're going to get back $27 through Flavor Wiki. And then there's also the $5 on Bibi or BB, making this a $14.06 moneymaker, which is really awesome. Now, I wanted to mention something real quick. Tomorrow's the last day for me to do mines. The Simply Spike, you have to do 9. Okay? With this one here, you have to do 6. So I'm going to finish up mines probably today. I still have to do, I think, like 3 with the Simply, and I still have to do like 2 with the mics. And so, yeah, not bad deal. If you're tired of seeing this deal, you're going to keep seeing it. Listen, I'm going to do the Glade deal again, priced at $2.38, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, makes them 88 cents each, limited of 3. You guys, this popped back up on Ibotta. I could not be more excited this morning. It's on the stem, priced on rollback for $14.48. I'm getting back 10 on Ibotta, and then getting back 1,700 points. So my point was just 1062, makes this a $6.12 moneymaker now. I'm waiting for it to pop up on Walmart rewards so that I can do it there as well. And so I'm gonna grab the Snuggles again. It's on the 40 count, price at $197. I'll use this $2 hang tag right here. I'll pay nothing out of pocket, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Bounce static removers, priced at $5.68 now. I did this deal at Target. One of you guys said that this coupon here, this $2 peely, does work on this one. And so if that is the case, then you'll pay $3.68 out of pocket. You'll get back $3 on Fetch Reward, $1.50 on Ibotta, making it an 82-cent moneymaker. Now for me doing it at Target, it was priced at $5.99. And I got back 3 on Fetch, $1.50 on Ibotta, made it $1.47. Okay, the other thing over here is the Tide pens. The one you want is this one here. The ones in the trial section are the mini ones, and that one doesn't work for the Ibotta offer, but they're priced at $2.97, which is crazy because the mini is priced at $3. So grabbing one at $2.97, you'll get back 2 on Fetch and 75 cents on Ibotta, making that only 22 cents. All right, this next deal is on the IMS. It has to be a certain one. I'll pop up a picture because I don't think they have it at this store. I didn't get it from here. It's on the 3.5 pound bags, so they're priced at $9.88, getting back 12 on Fetch. Makes it a $2.12 moneymaker with a limit of 3. So I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 3. Receipt went straight through, which was awesome, making all of them free plus a $6.36 moneymaker. You guys saw my last video. I cannot thank I shared this deal with me and let me know which coloring books worked for her. And so they're priced at $1. These coloring books are in the Crayola section, like in the stationery section of the store. They do have some over in electronics. I didn't find any of them over there though. So for this, you want to grab the ones that are priced at $1. I'll pop up her comment, but I believe that one works. Spider-Man works. Paw Patrol works. The Disney one works. My Little Pony works. What other ones did I get? I got the Ninja Turtle one. That one worked. And so you're going to grab a total of 4 of them because you're just going to max it out. It's buy 2, get back 5, or buy 4, get back 10. All right. So I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them really quick. One of them did scan for 97 cents, and I really wasn't sure if that one was going to work, but it did. And so 4 of them are going to cost you $4. You're going to get back $10, making it a $6 moneymaker. And this is a deal you can do once a week. So it will hopefully, cross our fingers, it resets for us on Sunday. It is a glitch. It's, and so it could change at any time, of course. I know that when my receipt went into pending, it said $3, but once it processed, it did say, I did get back the 5, rather, or the 10. And so, yeah, not a bad deal on some coloring books. And this is an awesome item to donate. And so, yeah. This next deal is on the Aleve. I thought I printed this coupon, but I didn't. And so it's on the Aleve. It's priced at $5.47. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. I was going to use $1.50 printable from coupons.com. I'd pay $9.44, get back 3 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Checkout 51 for that second one, and then 5 on Swagbucks. So to make them both free plus a 6-cent moneymaker. I'm finally getting around doing this deal on the got to be. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 4 of them, priced at $5.84. And that total is going to come to $23.36, right? Getting back a total of 850 points on my point, which is 531 times 2. And then 325 times 4 on Checkout 51 makes all 4 free plus a 26-cent moneymaker. All right, listen. I went ahead and did this deal again on the razors. Price at $6.78. Grabbing one using this $3 printable right here. It does work in self-checkout. That'll bring that total down to you paying $3.78, getting back 3 on Ibotta, a limit of 2, makes it 78 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on the dial. I actually found a $1 hang tag. What? So I'm gonna grab one of these priced at $1.34. With the $1 coupon, hopefully it scans. Wound up paying 34 cents out of pocket, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, makes it a 16-cent money maker. This next deal is on the Shea Moisture bars. I've been doing this on repeat. They're priced at $5.98. I'm getting back $4 on Ibotta. There's also 3 on Fetch since the points doubled, making this a $1.52 money maker.
Listen, y'all, this is my complete haul for today. This worked out so look, y'all. This worked out so amazing. A few things though, right? Fetch Reward, I don't know. They may have bitten off more than they could chew, because the last receipt that I did for the Pepsi didn't even process. It just went straight into review. They was just like, oh no, hold up, slow up. We got to check first and see if we got enough money for it. The other receipt on the Sunsip, which look, I don't have space. Okay, we don't have space on the table. Sunsip is there. That receipt, I did this yesterday morning, Thursday morning, y'all. Thursday morning. And it hasn't gone through yet. The coloring books, yeah, all of that, tic-tacs, won't put on the table. I'm not even gonna try. So I don't know what's up with Fetch, but I could use a break. I need a whole break because my brain hurts at trying to think of all these deals and do all these deals and see all these deals that you see. And I get it. All deals ain't rent deals. But then when you be looking at how much money you're gonna make, you be like, oh, I gotta go. And you be weighing the options. You be like, okay, gas, time. And it's like you end up going. And so that's how it's been lately between yesterday and today. And I'm just exhausted, overly exhausted right now. And happy that it might be over. But if something pop up, I can't say that I'm not going to want to go do it. I can't say that. And so other than that, what else with this haul? Blah, blah, blah. Tax was high. I ain't even go front. Tax was high. Y'all see a lot of soda. Okay. In California, we pay a CRV, a tax redemption tax. California tax redemption. Okay. I recycle. Okay. Re-legislate. So I will be getting that money back. Well, not all of it. Most of the tax, well, for the redemption, I will get back. All right, so there's that. Only thing I did for Walmart Rewards was a stem. That offer didn't pop up on Walmart app until like this afternoon. So I did that when I went back to do the gold bond. Thank you, Amy, for sharing that with me, because when I'm out, I kind of low-key have tunnel vision. And I almost forget to check social media to see if anything that's new that's popped up, right? So big shout out to Amy for letting me know about that. I think Savannah originally posted it. And so I have a ton of receipts. Look, listen. Well, please ignore that. I was trying to fix something with my super glue, okay? Super glue, and it spilled. And why did I think I could just wash it down a drain? I don't know. Too many mics and too many Simply Lemonades. I don't know, but that's what I thought. All right. Which reminds me, you don't see the mics because it's in the refrigerator in the garage, and I'm not going to go get it because it's not that serious. All right. With those surveys, I finished the mics. I finished the mics today. That they are asking for a video. For some reason, I must have missed that. It must have went over my head because I don't recall anything that said we had to do a video. All right, but you gotta do a video. I'm just letting y'all know. I did 35 seconds. That's all you get, favor. You get 35 seconds. Okay. Yeah, so let's just get this done, y'all, because your girl, I need to go take a nap. You know, I'm old. I need to go take a nap. I need a nap. Okay. And so everything you see here retails $271.83. We had $17.97 in coupons. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $253.86. Our sales tax, again, it was high. It was $29.96. Okay. Hello, it's high. Fetch $142. Okay. $142. Hopefully. I do have 2 receipts, like I said, pending. Ibotta $45.25, My Points $38.25, Flavor Wiki $31. I did have 4 of you guys use my link for the cereal, I assume, and I got back $1 for each of you, so 31 there. Inbox dollars $23, checkout 51, 18.25. Swagbucks, Easy Bucks, and Tada all $13 each.
Walmart rewards is $10. PayPal, I did cash out. I told you I'm cashing out every haul. We cashing out. I got back $9.78 from PayPal. That's from using your PayPal card. I chose my category, which is grocery, and whatever you spend using your PayPal card, you get 5% of grocery back. And so yeah, $9.78. Aisles $5.48 for the soup. I don't know. The receipt is not going through. I already tried to submit it twice. We're going to see what happens. If not, guess what? We'll take it back. So getting back a total of $367.01 makes everything you see here free plus a $113.15 money maker. You guys, what? We made $113 for all of this? How awesome is that? I like what? Which is awesome. Now, real quick, I did submit my Pepsi receipt for the cases to Inbox Dollar. I don't know what's gonna happen. I said, why not? Let's just see. Let's just see what's gonna happen. So if that comes back, we'll see. I'll pin a comment if I get it back. If I do, that would be cool because it'll be $116.15 moneymaker. And so with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching. If you made it to the end, thank you. I want to see money bags. I want to see dollar signs. I want to see anything that's like celebratory type stuff in the comments. If you made it to the end, as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.